close into Bellingham, 4.2 acres with a conditional use permit for cottage industry commercial. Marine repair, storage and other uses allowed. Large workshop with 6 bays, 2 offices, 96 by 36, mezzanine storage plus, other outbuildings for additional covered storage etc. There is a fully renovated 2-bed 1,100 square foot home on the property for built-in income or could be an office. Large shop also includes 3 horse stalls. Plenty of parking area on site. Room to grow on this site. Fully fenced and great access to home and shops. Only 5 minutes from I-5.